This is a step-by-step video to help students understand online exams taking procedures to prevent drawbacks. Search for the computer laboratory where you will be writing your exam. Arrive early. Get to the exam center an hour or two before the start of the exams. On standby is a biometric verification desk to verify your identity. You will undergo a search. Foreign materials are not allowed in the exams hall. In the exams hall, you will be ushered to your seat by an invigilator. Step 1. Enter your student's credentials, that is, your username and password. After login, you will be taken to the dashboard of the virtual examination room. Step 2. Click the respective course for the exam. Read instructions. Click on Attempt Quiz now. Then start Attempt and the quiz will begin. Answer all questions. Click Next to move on to the next set of questions, or use the quiz navigation panel to select the question you want to answer. Repeat this until all questions are answered. You can flag questions to be reviewed later on. Then click Finish Attempt. A summary of your attempt will be displayed. You can review the summary to ensure you are satisfied with your choices. Then click Finish Attempt. Click Submit All and finish. This comes with a prompt. Once you submit, you will no longer be able to change your answers for this attempt. Upon completing the exam, ensure you log out of the exam platform and the computer. You are well prepared to take an online exam on the KNUST examination platform. Powered by the KNUST e-learning center, just a click.